Hello friends, welcome to this CRUD operation in Codeigniter4. As we all know, Codeigniter4 is a very new framework that just launched in February 24th, 2020. So in this lecture right here, I'll be showing you how you can create a CRUD operation in Codeigniter4. As you all know, CRUD is the most basic use in all application. That means create, read, update, and delete. And before we go on, we have to have Codeigniter installed on our machine. So I am on SAM htdocs and a project folder. Here I'll be installing my Codeigniter. So I'm going to grab in my composer, that means my git bash to install Codeigniter, because Codeigniter via composer is recommended by the Codeigniter team. So you'll be able to use third-party library like dependencies in your project. So let me start installing Codeigniter. So I'm gonna say composer, create project, then Codeigniter4/app starter. Folder name where I want to install my project to be play. Display. So in this case, I have to wait for a few seconds for the project to completely download. Then I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back and see you when the project has successfully downloaded. Alright guys, welcome back. As we can see, my composer has successfully downloaded the project called Codeigniter4. You should see all this success message. As you can see, has created a project called Codeigniter4. So I clear off my git bash and I close it off. Now you can see a new folder here called play. When I open it, you see a numerous file inside here, and this is what the Codeigniter project has created in my folder. So this is what we are going to be working with. And the next case is to drag in this project into my favorite editor here named VS Code. So I'm going to grab this project into the editor. This is what we are going to be working with. And here we go. These are all the folder I'm going to work with. We have successfully installed Codeigniter in our project. The next thing is to configure this URL, because Codeigniter URL, the index file is found inside this index.php. That means we have to configure our VS host to point to this folder. How do we do that? I'll visit my SAM folder. I go to my SAM and I go to Apache, then I go to conf, then I navigate to extra, then I go to host here. I have to scroll down here. I have created some of this folder here. This is what we have to do. Just have to copy this extra one here, then rename it and let it look exactly like this. You have to create the two hosts. One is the default local host, which is going to point to the htdocs. The second one will be your project name. In this case, I'm going to copy this local host and I put it up my normal project, and this one will go to the htdocs because my project is found in htdocs. After htdocs, I navigate to projects. I navigate to play folder where my Codeigniter was installed, and inside play folder I have a folder here called public. Then I put a slash in it. Which domain did I want to use for this project? I want to just try use play.devs. That's what I will use. When I navigate to play.devs, it open this folder, go to the public folder and locate the index, then open for it. I'm going to save this. And the next one is to set our host on our machine. Those who do this, we need some administrative process. I'm going to find Notepad and run it as administrator. I click on yes. Then I open a file. New file. Okay, I will say open. Sorry. Open file. Then you go to system. Let me start from the beginning. I go to Windows here. And I find system. There is a system 32. System 32, yes, system 32 right here. Then I navigate to drivers right here. Then I navigate to etc. Then inside etc, I have to allow show files. Then I navigate to hosts. I don't click on it, that should open. As you can see, I have created some IP address here called localhost, and I have created the IP address to point to display the devs, which we are going to be using to run our Codeigniter project. So I'm going to save that and close this. Then I have to restart my SAMP. My SAMP was located here. My SAMP, I have to restart my SAMP. Change it safe. Stop this. Then start. Okay, and I start my SQL. Now our project is ready to run. When I grab my browser, I open a new tab, and I visit play. Yes. What do I got? Go. Codeigniter4 default page. That means you have successfully installed the project. In the next video I'll be releasing, we'll be configuring the database and setting up the database information. So till then guys, I will see you.